Question number 17, paper 1, variant 1, November 2011. In the diagram, B is the point 82. So, B is the point 82. The coordinate of B is given as 82. The equation of the line AB is y is equal to 2. So, the equation of the line is y is equal to 2. And the equation of the line AC. AC is this line. And this is given as 2x minus y is equal to 3. BC produced through the origin. The region inside triangle ABC is defined by 3 inequalities. So, it is first inequality, it is second, and this one is the third inequality. And one of these is y is less than 2. So, it is y is less than. Find the other two inequality. So, first is y is less than 2 is given, and the second, and it is equal to the first one, and the second, or we write the second is basically the AC, line AC, and it is 2x minus y is equal to 3. So, to find the correct inequality, we must put A, we must find the coordinate of A. So, x is, we have to find the x, and y is given as 2, because here we know that y is 2, and we can find the value of x by putting the value of x is equal, y is equal to 2 to the equation. So, y is equal to 2, if we put in 2x minus y is equal to 3. So, 2x minus 2 is equal to 3, or we may write 2x is equal to 3 plus 2 is 5, or x is equal to 5 upon 2, or x is equal to 2.2. 5 divided by 2 means 2.5. So, it is 2.5 and 2 is the coordinate of A, or we may write this point x axis is 2.5 and it is 8. In between we may write A4 here. So, it is suppose that 4 is lying somewhere here, and 1 is here, y is equal to 1 is here. So, if we draw a line here, a straight line of the parallel to y is equal to 2, so it become y is equal to 1. This is y is equal to 1, and we have to find this value, so that we can define the region is inside. So, we can define the sign of inequality. So, we put x as 2.5 and y is equal to 1. So, we take x is 2.5 and y is equal to 1, this point it is y is equal to 1 and x is 2.5, and we have found the value of 2.5 from this equation. When we put the value of y is equal to 2, so we find that x become 2.5. So, when we put this value here, so this equation become 2x, we can write 2.5 minus y is defined as 1 and 3. So, 2.5 multiplied by 2 is 5 minus 1 is equal to 3, so 4 equal to 3, it means 4 is greater than 3. So, this region in this line, the region must be 2x minus y is greater than 3. So, the second equation, second inequality become 2x minus y is greater than 3, and the third one is the line OB. The point B is given as 8, 2, and the coordinate of O is given as 0, 0. So, we have to find the equation, because the equation of this line is not given. So, first we find the slope m, and the formula is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So, y2 is 0, minus 2 is y1, minus is from the formula, and y1 is 2, and the x2 is 0 and the minus 8. So, it become minus 2 upon minus 8, or we can write m is equal to 1 upon 4, minus is cancelled and 2 the 2, 2 4 the 8, and the y intercept or the c is equal to 0, because this line is crosses y axis at 0. So, c is become 0. So, the equation become y is equal to mx plus c, the standard equation. So, y is remaining same, y slope m is become 1 upon 4, x is the same, and the c is 0. Finally, the equation become y is equal to 1 upon 4x. Now we have to put the inequality, either it is greater than or less than. Since the equation is OB is the region is above this line, so we write greater than. It is just, we do not need to check it out, just write y is greater than 1 upon 4x. So this is the inequality, or the third inequality. So the answer is, the one inequality was given, the second become 2x minus y is greater than 3, and the third one is y is greater than 1 upon 4x. Still there is any problem, you may write in comment, I will reply you inshallah.